Okay, we're going to do our first example. This is a very easy example to start out with. We have our equation here. We have our polynomial. We are going to find first our P and Q. So we need to know what P equals and we need to know what Q equals. Well, P, as we said in the previous video, is our constant. So this -5 would be our P because it's constant. It will always be -5. So P comes up here as -5. Q is our leading coefficient. So we look at our highest degree, which is 3, and the leading coefficient with that is 5. So 5 is our Q. That's our leading coefficient. Now how we look at this is we look at P over Q, which equals, what are all of our factors of 5? Well, plus and minus 1 and plus and minus 5 are our factors of that -5. Looking at possible factors. And now for 5, what are our possible factors there? Well, same kind of deal. Plus and minus 1, plus and minus 5 are our possible factors for 5. Now, we need to take every one of our numbers on top over our numbers on the bottom. So, plus or minus 1 over 1 is going to be plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 over 5 is going to be plus or minus 1 over 5. Okay, now we go to our next number, 5. Plus or minus 5 over 1 is going to be plus or minus 5. And plus or minus 5 over 5, well, we know that's going to end up being 1. 5 over 5, whether it's plus or minus, is going to equal 1. So now, we've already done that really, essentially. So now we're going to make a square around what we have. These are our possible rational roots. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1 over 5, and plus or minus 5. Let's check out example 2 to see another option so we can get a better idea of what's going on.